Good morning, folks. Thanks for being here. We're making history here together. This is the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution for clean energy. You're part of it. It's happening. Thank you all so much for being here.
Pittsburgh region stands at the nexus of energy and manufacturing.
This revitalized facility tells the region and the world that we still make things here in Pittsburgh.
Renewable energy industry is built on innovation and it's built on community.
Now we see how Leedsdale is moving beyond its industrial past and becoming a place to find the jobs of the future.
The magnitude of this moment cannot be underestimated.
This is just a great moment for all of us. What's very important about this clean energy transition is that we do not trade dependence on Middle Eastern oil for dependence on foreign manufacture.
We are making more stuff in this country. We're making it right here in Western Pennsylvania.
Providing good family-sustaining jobs in the American-made steel production and for clean energy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,